How to create tags for your bookkeeping clients. Tags are short color-coded labels that you can apply to your clients' tasks and time entries for easy categorization and filtering purposes. As an example, you can see that all the clients shown here have the monthly bookkeeping tag because I filtered my list to only see those clients. Tags can be applied to your clients either manually or automatically. To see your list of tags and to create new ones, you will need to go to the Tags page under the Template section. To make new ones, just click Create Tag. A new menu will slide out and you will have to enter the tag text and also pick a color. I'll make tags for my recurring services such as weekly bookkeeping, quarterly bookkeeping, and more. Also, if bookkeeping is not the only type of service you provide for your clients, you can also create a general bookkeeping tag to make it easy to separate the bookkeeping client from the other types. Keep in mind that you can apply multiple tags to your clients, so if you're providing multiple services for them, you can apply multiple tags to represent that as well.